Hey guys, so this is one of the smallest quadcopters I've ever flown before. I got this in exchange for this video, but all of these thoughts are my own. And yeah, it's not much bigger than my palm. In fact, I have a DJI Neo. And prior to getting the drone that I just got, this was my smallest one, but comparatively, see, this one's even smaller, a bit smaller. Now, of course, this is a professional drone. Well, no, I wouldn't say professional, but it has all kinds of smart features. This one does not have this. It's definitely more in the toy category, and yet it's tons of fun. And you can do things with this one that you actually can't do with the Neo because of its size. So we're going to turn this on and show you how it works. Just going to hold that button there. Turns the lights on. I'm going to put this on the floor so you can see it pair with the controller as well. Here is the controller for it. You're just going to push the on button, turn it on, and then it pairs automatically. Actually, there's instructions in the manual to say how to pair it, but I haven't had to do that yet because it's just paired automatically. It's ready to go here, but it does have a automatic takeoff, one button takeoff to take off, and it holds its position really, really well. These kinds of drones will hover around just a little bit, but not bad. It's also quite snappy in terms of how it flies. It does have some speed adjustments and also ability to do some flips. I've never been great at the flips, so I'm not going to try that, but it does have that ability if you'd like to do that. I think you have to be 2 meters off the ground for those to work, but it is fast and fun to fly. Quite snappy, in my opinion. Yeah, if you're looking for a fun drone that works right out of the box, of course, make sure you know how to fly drones first, but this is a fun one. And I love the size. You can really do some fun things with these. Yeah. It does also have the one button landing as well. And it lands really well. One thing I do like about this one as well, these guards on it are a little soft. And whenever you run into stuff, which you will run into stuff from time to time, these guards have not taken any damage and they've just kind of bounced off of walls and things. And it's done really well with that. So yeah, really like this little quadcopter. Lots of fun. I recommend it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.